Out of the red corner, he is a Muay Thai fighter standing 6 feet tall, official weight 149.2 pounds. He has a professional record of 9 wins, 2 losses. From Thailand, let's welcome İlhom Nazimov.
Referee Dan Moverhead getting the guys ready.
You ready? Ready?
Both lads know reverse gear on the stand-up and on the ground.
Wow. I didn't even say his name yet, Rustem. Whoa, and he doesn't know what happened. He just needs the referee. Did you see that?
Oh, I didn't see it.
He just needs the referee. He thinks he's fighting. He's trying to take him down. Look.
Someone help him. Someone help him.
Low blow.
Someone needs to help Dan.
He doesn't know where is his corner. Where is his corner?
He needs to come in. Referee Dan Moverhead, he needs the help. He just got kicked there. Sam's coming in. Well, Rustem celebrating on the top of the turnbuckle. Very dramatic scenes here at the Etihad Arena in Abu Dhabi. Great Warriors 38. İlhom Nazimov,
he still doesn't know what happened
after the knockout for his opponent and carried on fighting. It's a beautiful knockout by Rustem. Absolute on the money and a fantastic celebration as dramatic scenes were unfolding inside the arena. Not sure I've seen anything like that in my life. Beautiful right overhand from Rustem Kudaibergenov. And İlhom Nazimov has now settled down, checked the referee, checked his corner, seems absolutely fine. It was great to see. Yeah, he's going to be looked after by the medical the staff here. Absolutely fantastic knockout by Kudaibergenov.
Very powerful.
He goes 6-2.
Moverhead stops his bout at 8 seconds of round number 1. For your winner by knockout, Rustem Kudaibergenov.
It must be a new UAE Warriors record, huh?
To present the award, let's welcome CEO and General Manager of UAE Warriors, Fouad Darwish. Stay right here.